This incredible microwave Italian seafood risotto takes just 20 minutes to prepare and serves 4 people. Imagine a creamy, flavorful risotto infused with fragrant Italian herbs, perfectly tender seafood, and a cheesy finish, all cooked easily in the microwave for a quick yet authentic Italian experience. Bursting with fresh seafood flavors and topped with parsley, this dish is sure to wow your taste buds and impress your family or friends. Ready to indulge in a delicious restaurant-quality seafood risotto at home? Let's now check the ingredients. 1 cup Arborio rice. 1 cup mixed seafood, shrimp, calamari, mussels. 1 small onion, finely chopped. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 2 cups seafood broth or water. 1/2 cup grated Parmesan cheese. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 1/4 teaspoon dried Italy herbs. Salt and pepper to taste. Fresh parsley for garnish. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe by placing the chopped onion and minced garlic in a microwave-safe dish with olive oil microwave for 2 minutes until softened. Add the arborio rice to the dish and stir to coat the rice with the oil and aromatics. Pour in 1 cup of seafood broth, cover the dish with microwave-safe plastic wrap, and microwave on high for 5 minutes. Carefully remove the dish, stir the rice, and check the moisture. Add an additional 1/2 cup of broth if needed. Add the mixed seafood and dried Italian herbs to the rice mixture, stir gently to combine. Cover again and microwave on high for 4 to 5 minutes until the seafood is cooked and rice is tender. Remove from microwave, stir well, and incorporate the grated Parmesan cheese, season with salt and pepper to taste. Let it rest for 2 minutes to allow flavors to meld. Garnish with fresh parsley and serve hot for a delightful Italian seafood risotto. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Buon appetito!